Hey guys, this is Mrs. Long. We're going to look at a transformations question here. It says the blue triangle, triangle ABC, is transformed as shown in the diagram, resulting in the pink triangle. Describe the transformation. So, in other words, we have more than one thing going on here. Okay, so we have to figure out what those multiple steps are. Remember that when we talk about transformations, the original image is called the pre-image and is denoted by the letters A, B, C in this case. And remember that the image will have those prime symbols above them. So our image, the new one, is A prime, B prime, C prime. Okay. Now, to me, it looks like this bad boy has been flipped. Okay, so I have to figure out what it's been flipped across. Now, if I look at them, I notice that there are 4 spaces between these two triangles. So if I were to look at point A and point A prime, I know that there are 1, 2, 3. So this looks like it's going to be the center of that flip. So I'm going to draw a line there and say that well, let me do it with the line tool. All right, so I'm going to do that right here. Whew. Okay. So I reflect it across this line. All right, when I do that, let me just show you what that'll look like. All right, I see that point A is 2 places away from that line, so A prime will be 2 places away from that line. All right, C is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to count from the blue line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, and then this guy up here, B, it's 4 places, so I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, and now I'm going to connect those. All right, so I've made one transformation. I reflected it across the line. What line is that? Remember, it passes through the x-axis, so that line is x equals -1, okay? So that line is x equals -1. So I have reflected it across x equals -1. Now, what do I have to do to get it down to the pink image? I'm going to have to move it down 3 units. You'll notice I have to come down from here 1, 2, 3 units. To get from B, I go 1, 2, 3 units. And from this vertex over here, I go down 1, 2, 3 units. So I have reflected it across x equals -1 and then translated it down 3 units. Now remember, if that's hard for you to see, what I would do is just take a piece of paper, trace it on your computer screen, and then move it around till you get it in that spot. Okay, hope that helps.